Good morning, my dear friends. I guess you can't see me because it's like looks like night time, but it is not. I assure you, it's the morning. It's a winter morning in January, which looks like this here in the Netherlands. Today is going to be a work from office day for us. Well, we are like quite far away from my office. It takes me 2 hours to get there. So yes, I will take you guys along and show you what an office day in my life looks like here in the Netherlands. Now finally 2 hours later we have reached my workplace. I'm always happy when I reach here. I don't know why. Maybe it is all the time that I get on the train to listen to music, journal, Bollywood music. It's always some sort of dance song that is blasting on my ears when I reach here. So maybe that is why I'm so happy. But yes, we are here finally. So when it is like the mid of the day or like a day after a lot of meetings, I really like to come outside because look at this, how beautiful it looks. I mean, it is still dark because we are in the dark January days of the Netherlands, but still it feels much better. Also, one of the hacks that I want to talk about, which has helped me a lot in my career to progress, is talk to people who have already done it, right? It is not rocket science that everyone needs to learn everything from scratch. There are so many people in your organization or even on LinkedIn who have done or face the same situations that you have in your career, or are facing the same situations that you have in your career. So talking to such people and identifying what is the best practices that they follow so that you don't have to waste your time in reinventing the whole wheel and learn from their experience, I think is the biggest hack of a corporate job that I can tell you. Also, changing your mind from like if there is a person who has won an award in an organization, instead of just assuming that, oh yeah, of course she got the award or he got the award, this is very fixed mindset. Fixed mindset comes with a lot of assumptions. Instead, I think we should move into the growth mindset, because growth mindset comes with questions. Like, instead of thinking he or she, yeah, they obviously deserve it, or they must have done something, oh, she always gets the award or he always gets the award. Moving to a growth mindset can look like asking questions like, what has she actually done to get that award, or what has he actually been doing, what is the value that he or she is creating that they are being given that award. So this simple change from a fixed mindset to growth mindset, asking the right questions, can really trigger your brain to think in directions that you might not have already been thinking of. So to save time, these two are the best hacks. One, reach out to people who have already done that so you don't spend your time. And two, reach out to the people who are getting recognized, who are getting awarded, by using the growth mindset and asking the necessary questions rather than just making assumptions with a fixed mindset. So I hope that helps, because just now I have a meeting with a person who has done like exceptionally well in one of the biggest projects in the company, and I am doing project management, so I can just talk to him how he has managed the whole thing, how what hurdles I am facing in my project management journey, if he already has some solutions, right? So I think for me, this is the best form of networking with a purpose, with actually connecting with a real human being, and not just being like, not just doing networking for the sake of networking, right? So yeah, let me just log into that meeting, and I'll catch up with you a bit later.